Tell us your experience at the Jamestown today.
Jamestown was very emotional. You know, when God said a brother's name again, Ayite. When he took us down to the underground, where enslaved Africans were sent, I had to hold back the tears because that was rough. But I was more upset than sad. And then when we went through the other part of Jamestown, when the brother said, you know, black magic and voodoo or whatever, we could feel the shrines. I almost feel like it was like something was calling. It was very strong, very moving. I didn't even expect this today. I had no clue. I thought we were going to see some shiny things, some buildings or whatever. I'll make sure I bring my family here. This was on point, and every African, wherever you at in the world, should experience this. I thank you, brother.
All right, you're welcome.